Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy Beautiful Life. Welcome to How to Kill a Kit with Style. This month I am going to do a theme focused project or kits. And the whole point is I'm joining in with Susanna Lee for the end of her series about ABC scrapbooking Boys to Men. I love the series she started. She originally started it with Christine Meyer, however, life. And so Sarah Scraps and I are joining in with her. I was supposed to start last month, but my life got in the way. And so I'm going to be joining her starting in June. And my plan is to play catch up because we're starting with the letter P, I believe. So I need to get from A to P and I'm excited. So I grabbed all my boy things. And I'm not saying I need to kill these. I just want to get some stuff used up. That includes this pink paisley line that is called, I don't have a whole lot of it. It's called Little Adventurer. So I really don't have a ton, but I figured I could get a Barrett layout or two finished with that. This one I would love to be able to kill this month. That would make me very, very happy. I also am going to bring in some more of that Simple Story Boy & Co. collection that I got from Scrapbook Your Joy recently. So I've got that collection to play with. I'm also going to bring in Cocoa Vanilla Studio Legendary Collection. I've done one layout with this one. I also purchased this from Scrapbook Your Joy. She restocked it, and so I grabbed everything she had. I've got ephemera and stuff in the middle there too. And Chamel Field Trip that I am hoping to get some of my son's school album documented. I really need to get going. He's almost done with grade 1 and I haven't even really done anything for kindergarten. So I need to get going on that. So I've got that. And finally, I brought this in because there's some papers in here. It is the Pretty Little Studios Frosty and Friends collection. But there are a few papers in here that really scream boy to me. And if you saw me do that collection share, you would have seen that. And so I'm going to bring a little bit of that in too. But my plan is just to create lots of boy layouts and have fun. I'm not necessarily limiting myself. Okay, but limiting myself to just these. But I would like to start here and see where it takes me. And that's my plan. So pretty simple. I have a lovely little stack of photos to work with of my boys, and I'm going to start, like I said, try to get from A to, it will go from A to Q, hopefully, by the end of this month. If not, I'll stretch that into July, and we'll see where it goes. So thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you see what everyone else is using for their kits for the month of June, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, everyone.